shaped and nurtured in the right way. And
soon after, the Asha workers in Meghalaya resorted to agitations demanding better remuneration, Health Minister Ampreen Lingdaw on Monday said that the remuneration which the Asha workers are getting is adequate. Lingdaw also added that some Asha workers are getting Rs 5,000 to 7,000 per month. Asking the Asha workers to go back and contribute efficiently under the supervision of their local darbars, Lingdaw said that the Asha workers are offering their services voluntarily and they are not permanent employees.
An Asha worker is a volunteer in the health system. Voluntarily, they come forward under the guidance of their respective village health councils. That if an Asha worker working in a particular population is able to meet the health targets for a positive health positioning of a particular village, that Asha gets all those incentives. So it's not about Ashas getting a fixed remuneration. There are Ashas who get up to 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 remunerations with every month's engagement.
Mizoram